that's the way the globe had reacted before.
I saw in your document that in terms of carbon sequestration, there was a lot of the carbon was actually sequestered in the soil. You had two columns, and one was the actual trees, and then there was the soil. And I know there's a movement for carbon farming and so on. Darren Doherty's in the States right now pushing that. And
and that's it's really important to develop techniques for that, and that's all this non-till. Every time you plow, you till the soil, you release it for carbon.
That's right.
And therefore, we have to develop this non-till. And I think that's one of the things that have been very important in permaculture, that we have developed this non-till techniques, farming in constant layer of white clover, have a plant to grow every year, and things like that.
Sure.
So and that's what we are trying to get into that. So it's and one of the things when we get through all our calculations shows actually that it's possible, and it will do one thing more. If we tax, we all this free market of quotas and things like that on trace gases, had to be stopped because we can't control it, But if we go into taxation, and I know a lot of the people who work in IPCC is tending to moving into taxation instead of trading with quotas, and therefore we can do that taxation, and then we put the taxes. Those taxes could be divided up in national funds, which could be used for improvement, environment, and on traffic and things like that. Renovating houses and things like that, national wise, and the other half should go into be funding for transferred to the third world. I mean, if we have to pay our calculation goal, if we take a tax on €100 per ton per person, it means that every person in Denmark, for example, have to pay €700 per year, and then half of it, 350, go into national-wide renovation and improvement, environmental improvement, and 350 we provide for the third world. So that would be what they are asking. They're asking for help all the time, to save the situation, to improve that.
Yes.
And that would be a pretty logical and strategic way, to provide them funds for that.